Now let's take the next question, that is from the chemistry section, and question number 6 it is. This question has two choices. The first choice is given here on the board. Let's check. 2 gram of silver chloride is taken in china dish and the china dish is placed in sunlight for some time. What will be your observation in this case? Write the chemical reaction involved in the form of a balanced chemical equation. Identify the type of chemical reaction. It means in this case you have to mention 3 things. 1, the observation, the second thing, balanced chemical equation, and third thing is the type of chemical reaction. And after writing that, 3 marks would be awarded. So let us solve this question. First thing, the observation, you know that. What you will observe? If silver chloride is placed in sunlight, then white colored silver chloride gets turned into grey. Why it happens? Because silver chloride is white. In the presence of sunlight, it gets decomposed to give you silver. That is grey colored metal. And that's why it happens so. So you have to mention in sunlight due to decomposition of silver chloride to give you silver and chlorine. So this is your observation. Instead of writing complete this, if you just write that white colored silver chloride gets changed into grey, that is also your observation, you will get 1 mark. So I'm just going to give you 1 mark for this. After that, you need to mention the chemical reaction here. Chemical reaction in the form of balanced chemical equation. So as you can clearly see, the balanced chemical equation is given. Silver chloride is there and in the presence of sunlight, it getting changed into Ag plus Cl2. This is the balanced chemical equation. And if you write this, you will get 1 mark for this also. Left with the name of the reaction. In this case, the type of reaction is decomposition. You know that. This is photochemical decomposition basically. So simply you will write here, this is decomposition reaction. I'll just mark it, and if you mention in this manner, 1 mark would be awarded for this. It means in the question 6, if you choose this part, you will get complete 3 marks if you solve in this manner. But there is another internal choice as I've already told you, and if you choose that choice, then what will happen? You have to answer for this. Identify the type of reactions taking place in each of the following cases and write the balanced chemical equation for the reactions. We have the 2 reactions here. You have to write the balanced chemical equation as well as you have to mention the name of reaction. It means 2 parts are there. For each part you will get 1.5 mark. Let's solve this one by one. First, zinc reacts with silver nitrate to produce zinc nitrate and silver. In this case, zinc being more reactive is going to displace silver to give you zinc nitrate. So the balanced chemical equation for the process is correctly given here. Zinc reacting with AgNO3, ZnNO3 whole twice is formed and silver is formed there. It means this is the reaction in which displacement is taking place, and that's why the name of reaction is displacement reaction. And if you mention in this way, 1 mark would be awarded for writing this balanced chemical equation and half mark would be there for the name of the reaction. I hope you have done this correctly, and it's a turn for the next part of this question where potassium iodide reacts with lead nitrate to produce potassium nitrate and lead iodide. This is the reaction in which double decomposition or double displacement is taking place. So double displacement reaction it is. You have to mention here the chemical equation in this way. Ki we have potassium iodide, lead nitrate is there. You are mixing these two and ultimately there is the formation of yellow precipitate of lead iodide. Along with that, potassium nitrate is formed. Further, what would be the type of reaction? I have already told you, that is double displacement reaction. And if you write the chemical equation, you will get 1 mark, and if you write the name of reaction, you will get half mark, 1.5 mark for this part also. It means in this internal choice, you will obtain total 3 marks if you attempt in this way. I hope you have attempted this question well. Now, it is the turn for the next question. So, let us move towards that.